Hey Liam, how you doing, mate?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, good. So you came over with the recommendation of Sam, one of your mates.
Yeah.
Would you like to give the other students some feedback, what you went through?
I'm very glad that as a beginner I went to you straight away, so I didn't waste my money on anywhere else or on someone else, so I got my piece straight away today.
You did, didn't you?
Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome, mate. You're welcome. You did the 4 lesson in the driving test, Pat?
Yeah, I did the 4 lessons and yeah, just did my test today just after the warm-up.
Yeah.
And that's it, yeah.
Good, good. So well done. Congratulations on all that.
All right, thank you.
What would you like to say to the other students who are looking for a driving instructor?
If you're looking for a driving school, look no further because Carmen is a very good teacher, a very good instructor. He's very patient, considering how shitty I am. So,
oh no, that's all part of your learning.
Yeah, but he's a very good teacher and just like the name of the school, prepare to pass.
Well done.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Liam.
Thank you, man.
See you, pal.
See you, man.
Bye.